3508 easy. Can you use it? With this one, it's kind of a two-part test. You go ahead and you say, well, did you reduce salaries or hourly wages by more than 25%? If your answer is no, then you can continue on. And then you can say, does A or B apply? Did you reduce employees or average paid hours between January 1 and the end of the covered period? If your answer is, did you not reduce? If you did not reduce, then you can use the easy form. Or if you got shut down by a government ordinance, something that was to help comply with health, social distancing and guidelines there. If you were not able to operate at the level that you were at pre-COVID, then you can also use this form. But these two really need to be coupled together. You can't just say, okay, B applies, but I actually did reduce our hourly or salary wages more than 25%. Okay. So you have to do both and.